Welcome back to our Python program series for beginners. In this video, we will explore how to interact with users using input function, how Python handles math and logic with operators, and how to make decisions using if-else conditions. If you haven't watched before video yet, make sure to check that out first. We will cover printing, variables, and data types. How to get input from the user. Python allows us to take input from user using input function. Let's look at an example. I'm taking name and using input function to get input from the user. When we run it, it will ask for input. Whatever the user types will be saved into the variable name. When we print the name, it gives output. We can also add text inside the input function, like enter name. Here we got. It is asking to enter name. When we enter the name, it will print the name. Input is always stored as a string function. Let's check it. Even if the user types a number, it shows as a string. So if you want to work with numbers, we must convert them using int, float. I'm giving example here as a age and checking type. It will show the type as string because input stores as a string. If you want it as a number, we have to use int inside int. We'll use input function. It will give type as integer. Used int, then it given integer type. We'll take another example for float conversion. I'm taking height as an example. Using float. Inside that float, I'll take input function. Using print, I'm going to print both height and type. Now it's worked perfectly. It returns float type. Our next topic is operators. Now let's learn about operators. Tools used to perform actions like addition, comparison, logic checks, and more. First, we will see about arithmetic operators used for math. We all know arithmetic operators are like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, which returns remainder, exponent, which returns power. Let's check with some examples. I'm taking two variables as a and b. By using print operation, by using print, I'm executing all the operators. Let me run it. Here we got a plus b value is 13, a minus b is 7, a into b 30, a divided b, it returns quotient. By using division, it returns quotient. By using floor division, it returns quotient without decimals. Modulus can return remainder. Then we know exponent is the power. Then our next topic is comparison operators. Use it to compare values. You know comparison operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These return true or false. Let me show you with an examples. I'm taking same variables a and b. When we run it, we'll get all outputs in Boolean format, true or false. A is not equal to b, so it given false. Next one, it's true. When a is greater than b, so true. A is less than b, false. This about comparison operator. Next we go into logical operators. Logical operators are like and, or, not, and is about both conditions must be true, or about at least one must be true. Not reverses the condition. Let's learn with an examples. I'm taking age and printing with conditions. If age is greater than 18 and also age is less than 30, if both conditions true, then only it will give output as true. If any one of the condition false, it returns false. Our function is at least one must be true. It returns true. Yes, we got it. And not reverses the condition. Here one condition is true, one condition is false, but it getting true only. Next for not. Here age is less than 18 is false. Using not function, it reverses the condition. Then it will become true. Our next topic is conditional statements. Let's now learn how to make decisions using if, elif, and else. These are the conditions we'll use in Python. Now imagine you are building a program to check if someone is eligible to vote or not. I'm taking age, getting input from the user, and giving condition if age is greater than or equal to 18, it returns you can vote. I'm using semicolon. It is the syntax for using conditions and also for loops. This indentation is very important. If you run it, we will get okay. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, then we will get you can vote. Now age is greater than or equal to 18, so we got you can vote. If we give less than 18 as an input, it will give nothing because we're using only one condition. If it's true, it can give output. Here we didn't got any output, so we can use else condition. If it is false, it can print you can young, you are young. If the above condition is false, it go to else statement. If it is true, there is no need of else statement. Now let's add more options using elif. Using elif statement, you can add more conditions. I'm taking marks an input from the user. Giving text as enter marks. In conditions, if marks is greater than or equal to 90, it print grade A. Let me show you the indentation error. If I am removing the spaces before, it will raise an error called indentation error. Make sure the code inside if, elif and else blocks is indented properly using with 4 spaces or tab space. Now it runs successfully. I am giving elif condition marks is greater than or equal to 75. It returns grade B. I am giving one more elif condition. Marks is greater than or equal to 60. It will print grade C. Here I am using else. If all the above conditions are false, then it go to else statement. Then it will print grade D. This is called decision making. Python checks from top to bottom and runs the first matching condition. When you run it, it will ask for marks. When it is 40, it returns grade D. If it is 100, it will return grade A because the marks are greater than or equal to 90. Here I will give one more. If 10, the above all conditions are false, so it returned to else statement. So it returned grade D. This is all about conditional statements. Now it's your turn. Here is a small challenge for you. You can try this in any online compiler like Google Colab, Replit. Post your answers in the comments below. In this video, you learned how to take input from the user, use arithmetic and comparison operators, make decisions using if-else logic. Next video, we will learn about loops like for and while to repeat actions automatically. If this helped you, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy coding.